Hi, this is Rebecca, and welcome to my kitchen. And yes, this is my kitchen. Today, I'm going to make some blueberry muffins. Very simple, very easy, and I add a little touch at the end before I put them in the oven. So come and join me. The first thing we're going to do is I got my mixer out, and I have put in 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. I have put in 1/3 cup sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And I have this in here with 1 egg. So I'm going to lower this and lock it in place. I love this because this is the scrape beater, and I don't have to do a thing except for worry about it at the end. To that, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of milk and 1/4 cup of oil. This is how simple this is. He will have the recipe in the description below. Also at this time, please go like and share this video, and also subscribe to our channel. That would really help. And this just takes a few minutes to come up. I'm going to up it a little bit. It's almost completely mixed, and that's how simple this recipe is. I'm going to scrape my beater down, and this is your batter for your muffins. Now you can add whatever you want. You can add strawberries, you can add cherries, you can add cranberries, anything, cranberry and orange. Anything's really good with this. This is just the batter itself. As you can see, I'm doing blueberries, and these are frozen. And you just put them right on in, and you stir those up. And there's your batter. How easy is that? Now, I use this Baker's Joy, and I'm going to spray my pan, my muffin pan, cupcake pan, whatever you want to call it, so they don't stick. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off, and let's push this back. And what I'm going to do is divide this up into 12. And you'll be able to tell when it's full. We might have to take some out to get all 12. If not, this would probably make 6 big muffins, your jumbo muffins. This is just normal size. And I'm not done yet. I have a mixture that's behind here. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. And this makes these muffins so extra special. They are just one of our favorites. Now, if you don't like what I'm going to do, you can always leave off the top. Most definitely you could. And as I see, I'm going to have to probably get one more, and that's going to be it, which is fine. Okay, and I like to clean up so I don't have a mess when I get when it gets out of the oven and I have a mess to do. Now, in my bowl here, I have 2 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and they say not even a teaspoon of cinnamon, but we are a cinnamon family, so I just shook until it looked good. Let me get a fork, and we'll take care of that. And what you need to do is you need to mix this around until it becomes crumbly. And this is what we call strudel. This is a strudel topping that we are going to put on these just to make them a little extra special and a little extra good. And we're just going to twist this around and mix it around until it resembles crumbles. This is real easy, and if you don't like the streusel topping, you can always take it off. You don't need to have it on there, but we do. And even afterwards, if you're a sweet person like my husband and I are, but we're not going to do it with these, but you can mix up a little powdered sugar and sprinkle those on at the end, or make a little thin icing. So I'm going to use my hands, and I'm just going to start putting some of this on. We'll worry about it here when I get to the end, as soon as I give enough to everybody. We'll go back and do it again. Don't forget to set your oven for 400 degrees. That's what we're going to bake this in. A 400 degrees oven, and I'll tell you how many minutes here in just a second. But they're going to come out golden brown and just beautiful. And there you go. They're all ready to go. And let's see, we're going to put them into the oven for 18 minutes. So when we come back, we'll have some wonderful baked muffins in 18 minutes. Hi, welcome back. The timer went off, and these are done. I took my little cake tester, and they came out clean, so they're ready to go. And I'm going to try to pop them out of the tin, and hopefully they'll come out and I can put them on here to cool. Oh, look at those. And you just work that around, because that top is kind of sticky, and you just work it around. And get up underneath that. So I'm going to continue to take these out, but I want to thank you for stopping by my kitchen, and you all have some fun baking. Bye.